everyone, Melissa here. Come on today with another Saturday morning makes, as well as craft and cake with Billie's VR for her 800 subscriber challenge. And there's only maybe like a week left. I think maybe a week and a half, not definite. I will leave her link down below, as well as the video that she talks about it. So if you want to get in on this, please do. And her theme was sweet treats, and she loves pastel colors and things like that. Something that you would find in a bakery, I think is what she said. But anyways, like I said, I'll leave that link down below. Let me jump right in and show you the things that I used to create her items, as well as a card that I might be sending to her, or I might make one in similar colors that I made her items. So I'm not definite if I'm sending this particular card. But anyways, let's jump right in. So I recently won these from Marquisha's channel, which is Sweet Papery Treasures, and it's those frost piping dies from KS Crafts. I thought those were super cute. However, I struggled making the shaker cards. I wanted shaker items, but I struggled, so I just changed it up a little bit. I'm using this sweet die here, and that's from Spellbinders. I'm also using this here from KS Craft, these strawberries, and that will be for my card. And I'm using this OMG die, which is from Whimsy Stamps. Love that die. And so I use that, as well as this this die here. I'm actually using the cherries only, or the cherry die, blueberry die, whatever you want to make out of it, grapes or whatever. That's what I'm using. And I use a ton of fruit dies that I had in my stash. All right, now let me show you all of these cute little icing dies. I thought these turned out so super cute. Now, what Billie actually wants, if I'm not mistaken, she decorates her Christmas tree with all kind of decorations throughout the year. She actually wants ornaments to hang on her tree. And so I did create some of those as well. So here goes the ornaments. These are just extras so that she can do whatever she wants with those. And there goes my ornaments. I thought these turned out super cute. So let me show you the ornaments a little bit more close. I thought that was so cute with those little fruit dies on there. And then I used stickles in all of these there. Now I did not have a dark blue, so what I did was I got my ribbon blue oxide ink, and I colored it up. Took a marker, and not a marker, but a paintbrush, and just colored up that back part of that, and then added clear stickles on top. I thought it worked for what I was trying to get, but I thought these turned out adorable. Like I said, I wanted to make shakers, but I struggled so bad. So I just canceled out the shaker and opted for these cute little items here. I thought these were adorable. Now, I believe you can find those in a bakery. What do you think? So I made that, and then let's jump to the card. Now, this card was inspired, the style of it was inspired by Pinterest, but I love this card. Oh my gosh, I absolutely adore it. So I did use a punch. Let me get that punch for you. I used this little punch here. I don't know who it's from. EK Success. I used that little punch for the flowers on top of the strawberries because it didn't come with flowers. And then I just added enamel dots in the center. But love how that turned out. So cute. And then there goes the inside of the card. Just absolutely adorable. So those are the items this week that I am making for Saturday Morning Mix. And I'll have Jill Norwood's link down below. I will also have Crafting Cake with Billie. And like I said, you have just a few more days to go ahead and get that in. All right, thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.